Let's try going to Tata, but first I will go to Burger King. Hello guys, we are here in Burger King. We will just buy food and we will go to Tata. Let's go! I will choose bacon. Wait lang. Saan na? My order. We have some service here. Your drinks. Update lang tayo guys. We are in the forest. Oh my gosh. Soon we will arrive in Tata Lake. Yeah, let's go. Welcome to Tata. Yeah! And soon we will go there. These two places. It's nice here. With my bike and later Burger King. Okay guys, let's go. Tata Lake. Just a quick stop, guys. Wow.